Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this Kylie Jenner inspired birthday glam makeup look. So pretty much I've been getting a lot of YouTube comments where people are telling me I look like Kylie Jenner, and honestly I don't see it at all, but it's such a big compliment, and that kind of inspired me to look at some of her makeup looks and do my makeup kind of like her for my birthday. So yeah, today's my birthday, you guys. I turned 23 years old. Let me show you guys the photo reference that I used. My friend actually sent this photo to me and she was like, you should do this makeup look and see how you look. So pretty much I used this photo and created this makeup look for you guys. So yeah, before I actually jump into the tutorial though, I want to talk about my lash extensions. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I got lash extensions done, and it's actually done by one of my really good friends. She recently opened a lash studio here in Ottawa. It's called Pure Serenity Studio. So if you're interested in getting your lashes done, whether it's like extensions or a lash lift, lash tint, all those things, you should definitely check out her Instagram page. I'll have it linked down below. So I want to give her a quick shout out and a big thank you for doing my lashes. I love them so much and I feel like they are so fitted for the Kylie Jenner makeup look. So yeah, if you guys are interested in knowing how I got this makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. I think I'm gonna go ahead in with the Too Faced Christmas Cookie House Party palette. I know this makes no sense using a Christmas palette in the summer, especially on, I think today's the first day of summer. Yeah, it is. It's my birthday. I'm acting like I didn't know that. So yeah, today's the first day of summer and here I am going in with a Christmas palette. But I just love this palette. It has such gorgeous neutral shades and nice warm shades that I feel like are going to look really good in the summer. So I really want to go ahead in with this palette today. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with the shade What a Batch, which is this shade right here. It's a really nice transition shade. Also, ignore my nails. Like, honestly, I'm a hot mess because I spent the entire day yesterday baking. By the time this video goes up, which will be later this week on Thursday, today is Sunday, I'm actually posting a video today. It's going to be my cake video. My sister and I made my birthday cake from scratch. So yeah, yesterday I spent the whole day doing that. I wasn't able to kind of get ready for my birthday. I was just really occupied with that. So if you guys want to see how we made my cake, we made a number cake. I'll have the video linked somewhere up here or even just down below in the description box. So make sure you guys check it out because we put a lot of hard work into it. So I'm going to go ahead in with my Morphe M441 blending brush and I'm grabbing What a Batch and I'm going to just go ahead in and smoke this color onto my crease. I just realized I didn't prime my lids, but honestly it's okay, we'll survive. Not gonna lie, it's kind of hard to put eyeshadow on. I think it's just something that takes getting used to. Kind of like when you get your nails done for the first time, sorry, it's like you feel like you can't do anything. But then of course you kind of learn to adjust how you grab things and how you do things with your hands. So I feel like this is just an adjustment thing. I'm gonna have to just learn how to put makeup on with lashes on. But it's kind of hard, not gonna lie, because like I don't want to like touch the lashes, even though they won't fall off, but I'm just scared. So I'm also gonna smoke this color kind of outwards and create like a nice outer V. So next I'm gonna go ahead in with the shade Kiss and Caramel, which is this shade right here. It's a nice gold shimmer kind of color, and I'm just grabbing my Morphe M456 brush, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of that color just on the tip of the brush, and I'm going to apply this kind of onto the inner corners of my eye, but like also just a bit on the lid as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag this shimmer kind of onto the lid, and I really want to blend it out, kind of let it diffuse onto the lid, just kind of like that. So really packing it in the inner corner, but then dragging it and softening it out onto the lid to kind of make it look really effortless and blend it out. So next what I'm going to do is go ahead in with my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm actually going to go ahead in with my bronzer, which is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This is what it looks like. And what I'm going to do with this color is I'm going to really just define this onto the outer corners, just kind of in this crease area. Going back in with the Morphe M441, I'm going to grab What a Batch again, which was the very first crease shade that I applied, and I'm going to just apply this onto the outer corners of my eyes and really blend it out with the gold shimmer that we applied kind of in the inner corner. So one thing I'm finding that makes putting eyeshadow on easier with lashes is kind of put your mirror like down here, and that way you can see where your lashes are and also kind of see your lid. So next I'm going to go ahead and kind of do like a smoked out winged liner, and I'm going to use the shade Oh Snap, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to go ahead in with an angled brush and just kind of softly sketch out a smoked out winged line. Alright, so I'm going to take a break from the eyes. I'm all done with the wing liner, and I'm going to go ahead in and conceal. I'm going in with the Tarte Creaseless Concealer, and I'm just going to apply this under my eyes because it has a nice hydrating formula, which I like for under my eyes. And for other parts of my face that I want to brighten, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm going to put this one kind of like on my forehead, just a little bit, a little on the nose, or on the chin, and just a little on the nose. My brain was just thinking ahead. So I'm going to go ahead in and quickly blend all of this out. And to set everything in place, I'm going to go ahead in with the Huda Beauty Translucent Setting Powder in Pound Cake. Alright, so I just went ahead in and quickly wiped away the translucent setting powder. Now I'm going to take a pencil brush and grab the shade What a Batch, which is the very first crease shade that we applied, and I'm going to just smoke this out onto my entire lower lash line. So now what I'm going to do is just take the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, and I'm going to apply this onto just my lower lash lines because, again, I can't put any mascara on the extensions. So I'm going to quickly finish up with the lower lash line, and then we will move on to contouring the face. Alright, so I'm all done with the eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead in and just contour the face. So I'm going to go ahead in with the Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I'm also going to kind of contour my nose a bit. I'm gonna go ahead in with some blush. I'm grabbing the BECCA Snapdragon blush. I like to just apply a little higher so that my face looks slimmer. So for highlight, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Hustla Baby Highlight. So the last thing I have to do is my lips. I'm gonna go ahead in with the e.l.f. and Nabela Noor lip liner in Maira Nude, and I'm going to just line my lips. And for lips, I think I'm gonna go ahead in with a mixture of Abu Dhabi and Stockholm, which are two NYX soft matte lip creams. I think I'm gonna start off with Abu Dhabi first. So this is a gorgeous nude, but I kind of want to make it more peachy, so I'm going to go ahead in with Stockholm and kind of brighten it up a bit. Alright you guys, so that is the end of the makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and comment down below if you guys feel like I look like Kylie. Like, I honestly don't see it. Like, maybe it's because I have bigger lips, I don't know, but honestly comment down below what you guys think. If you want to know all the products that I used today, it'll all be listed down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.